Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Honda Passport versus Honda Pilot. The Passport is a rugged midsize SUV, perfect for 5 passengers and off-road adventures. In contrast, the Pilot is a larger, family-oriented SUV, comfortably seating up to 8 across 3 rows. We'll explore how these differences impact their driving dynamics and overall utility, helping you decide which Honda SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. Both the Passport and Pilot share a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This provides ample power for daily driving and highway cruising. Both models also offer available all-wheel drive, enhancing their capability in various conditions. When properly equipped, both SUVs can tow up to 5,000 pounds, making them suitable for hauling trailers or small boats. Inside, the Passport prioritizes cargo space with 50 cubic feet behind its second row, ideal for gear. The Pilot, with its 3 rows, offers 18.6 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding significantly when seats are folded. Both SUVs come equipped with a standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system and the comprehensive Honda Sensing Safety Suite, ensuring connectivity and peace of mind on every journey. When considering value, the Passport generally starts around $43,000, while the Pilot typically begins at approximately $40,000, offering a slightly lower entry point for a larger vehicle. Fuel economy estimates are quite similar across both models, given their shared engine. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.